Organization doesn't stop at your fridge and your pantry. Today we're going to talk about how to organize your freezer. Join me! Organizing the food in your freezer is going to make cooking more efficient, and it's going to allow you to find the food easier. Both of these things are going to save you money and time. Imagine being able to just look into your freezer and see what you have and you don't have just in a quick glance. That's going to make grocery shopping and grocery list making a lot more easier. Begin by removing all of the food from your freezer and grouping them into light categories. For me personally, I have beef, chicken, pork, breakfast foods, fruit, and vegetables. Those are my main categories. Oh, and ice cream. Definitely got to have the ice cream. Now that all your food is removed, take a moment, get a wet rag and wipe down your entire freezer. You may need to use a soapy rag, but if you do that, make sure that you use a clean rag afterwards so there's no soap residue left. This is just going to give you a clean surface so that way you can see where and how you're going to organize your food. Now that you have your freezer items grouped by likes, you're going to get some bins. I like to use clear plastic bins that I get from the dollar store or Dollar General. I'm a big dollar store shopper. Get your bins and use your labeler. Write beef, write chicken, pork, and then whenever you're putting your foods away, put your beef in your bin, put your pork in your bin, put your ice cream in your bin. Then whenever you open your freezer to see what's for dinner, you can see right in front of you how much beef you have, how much ice cream you have, because you know everyone eats ice cream for dinner. But you're going to be able to open your freezer and see. Another tip I have is whenever you are restocking your freezer, you're going to use like first in, first out method. If any of you have worked at like a grocery store or a restaurant and you've done the stocking, then you know about first in, first out. Your oldest food goes in the front and the food that you just brought home goes in the back. That way you can make sure that you're using things before they're expired. Now, we've put everything back in the freezer. It's all labeled. It's all organized, it all has its own bin. Don't you feel better? Now you can go and cook, you can make your grocery list. All you have to do is open your freezer and you know exactly what you have. There's no more digging underneath things or pushing things to the side or finding half-melted popsicles, because your popsicles are all in its own bin. If there's one that's half-melted, your freezer isn't all contaminated with popsicle. All you have to do is take your bin out, wash it, put your popsicles back in, and pop it back in the freezer. Or having an organized freezer, I promise, will help make your life so much easier. Welcome to DIY Your Life. If you love DIYing, organizational, cleaning, and craft videos just as much as I do, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell icon next to subscribe so you never miss a video. You might have some friends and family who love DIY just as much as you. Be sure to share this video and all of the videos that I have on your social media so that way everyone can benefit. Also, right down there is a thumbs up button. Click it for me, will ya? Thanks.